Hello friends, my name is Amit. Today I am going to talk about forest. Forests are very important part of the nature. Forests give us oxygen to live life. Forests are home to many animals and birds. They make our environment fresh and green. Forests reduce global warming. They become the reason for proper rain at a place, and also many medicinal plants are found in the forest. These days, people are cutting off trees and destroying our forest. Cutting of trees is not good for our forest, and we must save our forest and plant more trees to keep our environment and our planet safe. Thank you.